have my meal plan in this notebook, but just so in case I didn't introduce myself, my name is Tasha. This channel is documenting our family's journey to debt freedom, financial independence while building generational wealth, and we're starting with managing money, budgeting, saving, and getting out of debt. If any of that type of content, along with meal planning and grocery planning, is something that's interesting to you, please click that red subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll know when to come back around. Hello everybody, welcome back to Mind Your Money. This is going to be our meal plan and grocery list setup for the week of April 25th, I believe. So it's the 5th week of April. So our pantry is pretty much empty. We have 4 boxes of cereal. This one is actually almost empty. This one is not opened yet. So I will get more cereal for this week. I do have the Cinnamon Toast Crunch still in the back. That was a large box from Costco. It's still there. I bought this pancake mix for like $1.50 from my local grocery store. That's not open because I didn't realize I had a whole box of Bisquick that wasn't open, hiding behind the other one. So we have quite a bit of pancake waffle mix and all of that. Still oatmeal, you know the deal. Rice still there. I did not make this jello this past week, so we'll see what's going on. This is a total mess and needs to be reorganized, but I can guarantee that there's so much stuff in there. We made barley porridge today because there was some barley still back there that we hadn't used, and it was still good. So we're going to use up whatever rice and pasta and beans that we have for this week coming up to go with our meals. So what snacks are left? Tuna fish, 2 cans left. We did not use the quinoa last week. There's still this unopened jar of peanut butter. There's an open one that's not finished yet that you can't see because, you know, they just devour that. But it's a large bottle that's still there. We have a few almonds left. So, and these I usually buy from Costco. So next time I go to Costco, I'll buy those again. The goldfish, they haven't even opened these yet, so that's still there. The graham crackers are finished. And I only baked once last week, so this is what's left. I don't know what this is. My husband bought this. Some mango mix or whatever. But double chocolate chunk cookies, blueberry muffins, and chocolate chip muffins. I'll try to bake twice this week because this week coming up, and let's go into the fridge next. We have half a bag of these crinkle cut fries. We have a whole bag of large raw shrimp that I got that's not opened yet, so we can use that for something this week. We have frozen mixed vegetables still. We have an open bag of Alaska sockeye salmon. This is one of our favorites. There are two sealed packages in there, so we'll buy some salmon this week because that's a big thing for my hubs. And we have 2 unopened bags of mixed vegetables. We're out of milk, so we need that. Coffee creamer, I'm almost out of this, so I need to buy this week. And for butter, we have 1 more stick left, so I need to buy some butter as well. We are out of produce. We're going to use this up today. It's Saturday when I'm recording what's in my freezer and fridge because I need to make my list now so I can go early for Sunday. So we're going to use this up tonight and make a little bit of juice from the carrots that we have left. Completely empty. So let's make the list now. And legacy builders, thank you so much for being here. Welcome or welcome back. If you're a new viewer, new subscriber, I appreciate you. And let's get into this meal plan and grocery budget. So what I've decided to do this week after checking my pantry, fridge, freezer, is I'm going to try my best to plan for breakfast also. Breakfast is really easy for me because I feel like whatever I feel like doing that morning, I can do it. If it's pancakes or waffles, if it's baking muffins, I can do it. But I figure it'd be better for me to plan out the breakfast too, so I know exactly what I'm doing that morning. I think the meals that we're going to make are tacos again because tacos was a really big hit last week, but I'm going to do that on Tuesday. And then I think I'm going to make turkey meatballs. Someone commented on the last video and mentioned that they have chicken meatballs that they buy from Costco. I'm not set up for a Costco run just yet. I'm going to my local grocery store this week But turkey meatballs I'm going to make, and probably with rice or with pasta. So I'm going to give myself that option. And the reason why is because the ground turkey is on sale, and I got an Ibotta deal, and we usually eat ground turkey. So I'm going to make them myself. And then for breakfast the following day, it'll probably be just eggs and sausage. And if I want, I can also bake some biscuits, because I do have biscuits left over. So that will be pretty easy. Dinner, I believe we're going to have tacos again. I'm going to make tacos and wings, because we still have buffalo wing sauce in the refrigerator. Let's see, for breakfast on Wednesday, maybe I'll bake again. I'll bake some muffins, because we still have muffins in the pantry. I'll do eggs too. Woo, that's your ball. My little one is trying to get in on this recording action. You probably can't tell what that is. That's sausage, because my 1-year-old just distracted me. I don't know what the heck I wrote. Eggs and sausage, baked muffins. Okay, for dinner, let's see, what should we make? Shrimp fried rice. Because I work late on Thursdays, I'll make the shrimp fried rice on Wednesday, and there'll be more than enough to carry over into Thursday's dinner. And on Thursday I'll make spaghetti for the kids, because again, that's a quick and easy meal. Okay. And then breakfast is up in the air. I don't know yet. It could be cereal, or it could be some kind of porridge. All right, dinner will be spaghetti and probably leftovers, because I'll have enough ground turkey to make spaghetti, and we have more than enough pasta. Yeah. Oops. Outside of the line. Out of bounds. Breakfast, we'll probably have cereal, I'm not gonna lie, and muffins. Ball. Dinner, maybe I'll do the pork chops, because we've been eating pizza out every week, and I think we're gonna do pizza on Saturday instead. Pork chops with gravy, and of course I'll make a rice. And that's what we'll have for this week, unless something changes. So let's get into the budget now. Grocery budget. Now, we definitely need milk, because we are out of milk completely. We don't have any more juice. They devoured the juice again. And that actually should be free for me with WIC, because I do have WIC. Get bread. Now, bread is something that we need desperately. It's 4 loaves of bread. I checked my pre-plan list. About $10, but I do have coupons and Ibotta rebates. So using Arnold's bread, and I can get like 1,200 points from Fetch. Shh, don't do that, Joey. Don't play with the keyboard. We need water for sure. Let's get our produce first, because we need quite a bit of produce. Let's get our apples and our carrots. Projecting that this would be about $8. I might be a little over budget for that, because I'm just going to get 1 bag of each. And then we also need to make sure we get lemons and mandarin oranges. We'll put $7. I'm going to get cucumber, ginger, and celery. And I'm going to put that at 89 cents per cucumber. I have to pull out my calculator. If we get 4, that's $3.56. The ginger should be about $2, not more than that. And then celery, I don't know. I'm going to say $2. So we'll budget for $8. You can't forget spinach. Remember, we are juicing also. All right, let's go over this quickly. Okay, for breakfast, blueberry muffins and pancakes on Monday. Turkey meatballs with pasta or rice on Monday for dinner, and we can use whatever vegetable I'll feel like doing at the end. There's spinach if it's going to be a salad, if it's going to be mixed vegetables. And then on Tuesday, eggs and sausage for breakfast. Maybe we'll bake some, maybe we'll have leftover muffins for Monday, we'll see. And tacos and wings on Tuesday. Baked muffins and eggs and sausage again for breakfast on Wednesday. Dinner will be shrimp fried rice. again, because this will actually help us carry over into Thursday, because I work late on Thursdays. So dinner will be quick. It'll be spaghetti with meat sauce for the littles, and my husband and I will have whatever is left over from Wednesday. Friday, breakfast again, cereal and maybe muffins. Dinner, pork chops with gravy and rice. Maybe I'll pick up some cabbage too. I think that's a good idea. Let's add cabbage. Sunday, don't know. Pizza for dinner, breakfast during the day, don't know. Fend for yourself. We will have quite a bit of cereal and of course milk, so that will have to be the go-to for most of us, because a lot of these meals I have to make during the week when it's extremely busy and I have a lot on my plate next week. So leftovers will probably be eaten on Saturday and Sunday also for next week. So that's the meal plan. Let's check and see how much we have actually budgeted for all of this stuff. So let's see how this week. I definitely need to use the Ibotta rebates, so at least I get that on the back end. And I definitely need to use those coupons, because I'll be buying more than $12 worth of produce, and I'll be buying more than $6 worth of frozen items. So this should be under $125 by the time I'm done. This time I will not forget. All right, so we have budgeted for $135. We are going to use whatever rebates we have, but that is the grocery and meal plan for this week, Sunday, 4/25 through next week. So I hope you guys are finished with your meal plan and you are ready and prepped for the week. And love on your family, especially your kids, even though they disrupt everything when you're trying to get some work done. Have a great and wonderful week. Be consistent, love on yourselves, love on your family. Remember to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives to its fullest. Bye for now.